Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well and staying safe. If you're new around here, my name is Jess, and today we are going to be having a look at the new carpets that we have recently had fitted in our new home. Now, this video is almost like a throwback to a couple of weeks ago. I've had this video in the making for some time, but I've just been waiting for some beautiful sunny days where I've been able to capture the new carpets in all their glory. Those sunny days have happened, and so here I am filming an intro for this video. So I will just let past me take over, and I hope you enjoy looking at our new carpets. Good morning, guys. It is Monday. It's the 1st of February actually today. We have been living here now for about 2 or 3 days, haven't we, Livy?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we love our new home. We absolutely love it. But today something really exciting is happening. We are finally going to get carpets put down. So we're having carpet put here in the living room, and we're having carpet put in all 4 bedrooms today and maybe tomorrow. So I'm going to share that process with you. So the carpet we are having installed throughout the house is from Eaton Square, and it is the Tahoe Deluxe, and we have gone for this colour here, the Skyland 800. I really love the kind of neutral tone to it with a slight hint of grey. I felt the others were a little bit too brown for me, so I went for this one here. So it's just going to be laid throughout the living room and the bedrooms with some beautiful underlay. So what I'm going to do now is some before and afters, and I'll do some durings as well, and you can watch the process of having our carpets installed. So it has been about 2 weeks now since we had our carpets fitted from Eaton Square. As you can see, they look absolutely gorgeous in this morning light. I've just had a quick hoover of them as well, because we have just been absolutely loving walking on them and playing on them and stuff, and they needed a quick tidy up. And I think you'll agree they look so, so lovely. I am really pleased we went for this colour as well. It's super light. It's really, really like light grey colour. Like if I come down you can see it better. It's a super light grey colour, and yeah, in the 2 weeks that we have had them down, we've had a spillage or we've had a stain. I think at one point Olivia opened these doors and there was a bit of mud here by the back door, but it just cleans off so easily. I just get some carpet cleaner and a damp cloth and just rub it and it comes out straight away, which is something that I really, really wanted these carpets to have. I wanted them to have that cleanable and scrubbable like technology so that we could keep them looking fresher for longer, especially with a 5-year-old and a baby on the way who will become a toddler and no doubt make lots of mess. So I'm giving them a 5-star for that already. But also just the quality of the carpet. If I turn into this light here, it's a really, really thick pile. Not sure if you can tell, but the pile is so thick. And when we first had them laid, it felt quite firm under our feet despite the underlay underneath. And then over the couple of weeks that we've been walking on them and stuff, it now actually feels really spongy, really soft. And yeah, we just honestly couldn't be happier with them. It's the first step in the transformation in this room, and I'm really pleased with how that first step has gone. I'm going to now take you upstairs and I will actually show you how the master bedroom looks and how the carpet looks up there as well, because we've had the same carpet put up there too, and that'll give you an idea of how it looks in different rooms. But yeah, just to remind you all, this is the Tahoe Deluxe in Skyland 800 from Eaton Square. So we are now upstairs in the master bedroom, and as you can see, it is a beautiful sunny day. We had our windows cleaned as well the other day and it's just made all the difference in letting in light. But we're not up here to talk about those sorts of things, we're up here to talk about the carpet. So the carpet up here again is just, it still looks just as lovely as it did downstairs. You can see it more against grey here, you can see that it is a very light grey. But it just works, it works so beautifully, and it has just lovely, it has this lovely texture and movement in it. Like you can sort of see where people have walked, you can see footsteps, and I love that. I just think it adds something to a carpet. And yeah, we really honestly just couldn't be happier with it. And once this room is all designed properly and decorated, which I know many of you follow me for, is beautiful home interiors, I promise it will look lovely. I've got a lot of work to do in here, and I think this is actually going to be the last room to be decorated because I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to do. But like downstairs, having a beautiful carpet is the first step in the right direction. So that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed having a look at the new carpets. We are, like I said, really happy with them. They are so lush is probably the only word I can think of right now. If you would like more information about the carpets, I will link everything down below, along with Eaton Square's Instagram page and their website. They're a really, really helpful team, and if you reach out to them and ask for some samples, etc., they would definitely be more than happy to help you. And don't forget to just mention that Jess sent you. And with that, I am now going to go, but I will see you all again very soon for an update on more things in and around our new home.